Hi, I'm Tad Radzinski, speaker, educator, and expert in corporate responsibility and sustainable product design. I just wanted to talk about a conference I just attended this past weekend. It was out at Purdue University, and it was with the Dr. W. Edwards Deming Institute on the theme of the conference was Out of the Crisis, New Thinking for a Sustainable World. And it was a really excellent conference. It brought together a whole bunch of folks that have been studying and focusing on Dr. Deming's principles for a long time. And for those of you that don't know Dr. Deming, he's actually recognized as the father of the quality revolution and the revolution to improve management within different organizations. He was instrumental in helping companies like Toyota after World War II to reestablish themselves as a major power in the world for producing automobiles, both in a high quality manner and also developing management systems in those organizations that really fostered productivity, teamwork, high quality production, and different things like that. And through his lifetime, he worked with many organizations to help them establish quality management programs and improve productivity, basically work on improving workplace productivity, education, different things like that. So if you haven't heard much about him, it'd be interesting for you to take a look at some of his teachings and his life. But some of the key themes we heard from the conference were, there were some great presentations out there by companies like Patagonia and Subaru, and they really talked about how they're doing some really great things as far as reducing their impacts on the environment and society, and really integrating corporate responsibility into their operations. And they gave great stories on how they were focusing on reducing energy, water, and waste, doing different things to change the whole economic system. For example, Patagonia actually is doing a great job of creating programs to extend the life of their products by offering repair of, garments and things like that. They're also establishing a system for people who no longer want to use the Patagonia products to sell them through eBay, so they can, become a used product and they get reused and they're not disposed of. So there's all this just great thinking out there. And, the biggest thing that I wanted to promote about it, my message really was, we really all need to take action. And I talked about how we used Deming principles in our own company, how we use Deming principles in the education and learning systems that we've developed to help people really take this information and be able to implement it, and then how we've integrated it for our clients in the work we do at Sustainable Solutions and Green Circle Certified. And Dr. Deming always used to say, when he started any meeting, he would say, "Why are we here?" And he would say, "To learn, to have fun, and to make a difference." So I think the theme of that conference, really looking at how we can make changes for a sustainable world, brought a lot of smart people together. There was a great number of people there from all different walks of life: students, people in business and industry, consultants, folks in the government, and everybody put their heads together. And the bottom line is we all need to take action. We have to do something to make change if we're going to have a sustainable future for us and our children and future generations. So I would recommend, if you have a chance, check out the Deming Institute. All the recordings are on their website that will show you the different speakers, and you can learn some of the things that happen there. Also give you some great information about Dr. Deming and some of his teachings. And I think if a lot of companies really started to look at this and adopt some of his teachings, started really thinking about sustainability, we could all really make a difference. So thank you for attending my blogs. I appreciate the comments you provide, and continue to subscribe and continue to provide input. I look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you.